Today we are looking at how to complete the Welcome to Online Career Learning orientation module that all MOVA students must complete to be successful at our program. To first start, we are going to go to the class. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Classes, and then we will find the module that is gray with the clipboard. It also says 6th grade orientation, Welcome to Online Career Learning. So we are going to enter into that class. Once here, there have been several updated features to help students find the homework and the assignments easier. The easiest way to begin working on this module is to scroll down and look at class announcements. This is where the first and second module lessons can be found. So when starting the course, you want to click on Introduction and complete everything in Lesson 1, and then go to Lesson 2 and complete everything there as well. So let's go ahead and click on Lesson 1. By clicking on Lesson 1, it takes us to the work pages. So as I scroll down, you can see that I have no check marks, which means that I need to complete all the lessons. Students are encouraged, and it is required and preferred that we start at the beginning and work our way through the lessons. That way there is no confusion. So students will click on Get Ready and complete the lesson, and then toggle through in the upper right-hand corner. Once they are done, they can either scroll down to find Unit 2, or they can click on Class Home and go to it that way. Some students can also find the information of Lesson 1 and Lesson 2 by going to Content. From there, they can click on the different options on the left-hand side and see which parts of their learning they are needing to complete still. Some students may have started with Get Ready, but then stopped at Explore or using the tools. It is really important that all students complete the Welcome to Online Orientation course because it shows students and families every type of assignment that will be available or given to their child while at MOVA. It also goes through how to practice take quizzes, what practice and lessons look like, and how to upload and submit written Word documents, which are very important here at MOVA for writing pieces. Students can also look at their feedback by clicking on Grades. So if a student says that they have completed everything and they are waiting for feedback, or they notice that their grade is not changed in the orientation course in a day or two, please go ahead and click on that Grades tab. Most of the time, students have not met the requirements of the assignment, such as a blank paper was accidentally turned in, their name wasn't provided on the work, or they didn't meet all the learning expectations with like the discussion post. Feedback is updated daily, especially during these first few weeks of school, so that students and parents are up to date with what their child needs to work on. Again, our goal is to have all students complete this as soon as possible so that we can have a strong and successful school year. Please reach out if you have any questions, and we will be having a class next week to help support students with this module. However, please feel free to work on this anytime that you can so that it can be completed. Thank you so much.